we are asked to find the derivative of y. So we have that y is equal to x multiplied by sine 2x. Now, if you observe at the right-hand side, you will find out that this is a product of two functions. And for us to be able to obtain the derivative of y, we must use the product rule. So recall that the y over the x, the product rule is giving us u dv over the x plus v du over dx. So at this point, we can have that let x be u and let sine 2x be v. So therefore, we have that u is equal to x. And if we differentiate u with respect to x, we have that du over dx is equal to 1. Also, we have that v is equal to sine 2x. Now, if you observe, v is a function of a function. So therefore, we said let 2x be equal to w. So w is equal to 2x. So at this point, if we differentiate w with respect to x, we have that the w over the x is equal to 2. So therefore, we have it that v is equal to sine w, because we said let w be equal to 2x. Also, if we differentiate v equal to sine w, we have that the v over the w will be equal to cos w. So at this point, we can obtain the value of the v over the x by using the chain rule. So the v over the x will be equal to the v over the w multiplied by the w over dx. So therefore, the v over the x will be equal to the v over the w is cos w, and w is 2x. So therefore, we have cos 2x. And also, the w over the x is giving us 2. So we have multiply by 2. So at this point, we have it that the v over the x is equal to 2 cos 2x. So at this point, we have the value of u, we have the u over the x, we have v, and we have the v over the x. We can now substitute this value into the product rule. So therefore, by product rule, we have that the y over the x is equal to u dv over the x plus v du over dx. Now, u is giving us x multiplied by the v over the x is 2 cos 2x. So we have 2 cos 2x plus v is giving us sine 2x, and du over dv is 1 times 1. So therefore, at this point, dy over the x will be equal to sine 2x plus 2x cos 2x. Thus, we have been able to obtain the derivative of y. Thank you so much, and we appreciate you for watching our videos. Please, if you know you found the video helpful, encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It means a lot to us, and thank you for doing that. I will see you in my next video. Bye.